What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just waiting for the open here today. Did you guys get that put option play on DJT? If you did so, then you're making money today. Yeah, pre-market fall here on DJT dropped down to that $30.90. Like I told y'all, man, if we drop below that $30 levels, things can get very ugly. We seeing the market react as though that the market doesn't even believe that Trump is even going to win. The closer we get towards this election. Don't forget, guys, get this thing up to 150 likes so we can open that live chat up to everybody. But as you guys can see, if we go check out our pre-market here, right now we got a active buy. Active buy is about 12% higher than the active sale here currently. 719,000 on the active buy, active sale 707. So may found ourselves in a slight reversal here in today's pre-market, but will it last throughout the trading day? That's something that we haven't been able to accomplish here in DJT for the last few days of trading. Yo, TK, what's going on, man? Currently got 62 people watching, guys, and only 28 likes. The numbers aren't adding up. So, don't forget. But currently, right now, that put option closed here at 1440 with a theoretical price sitting here at 1548. This thing was first put out there at 990. The following day, we did see a low of, I want to say, like 1050, the low the next day. So, yeah, guys, if you did get that put, that $40 strike, expiration the 22nd of November here in DJT, then you're in the right place to be. If you're still holding your long position as a hedge position, you might as well hold until the election at this point, right, guys? Let's see what else is going on here. Thing breaking towards that upper here at that 1229. I mean that 229. It's looking around that 229 for a bit here. Palantir, for those that is wondering. As you all know, earnings is on the 4th, post-market earnings at that. So, again, guys, the market these last 2 days hasn't been performing like everyone feels like Trump is going to win. We're seeing the market sway in the other direction here. PLTR, these last 2 days of trading, if we take a brief look and check out the day chart here really quickly, as you guys can see, you know exactly what I mean. So it's not only happening to Donald Trump favored stocks, ladies and gentlemen. Nvidia, crossed that mid-Bollinger Band here yesterday. But if we do see a market turnaround, I do feel as though that DJT, PHUN, and Donald Trump favorite stocks should also see a market turnaround here today. Keep your eyes out on this play as well, guys. I think this thing is going to develop here pretty soon. ORIS. GSAT looking slightly bearish here currently. Just waiting for things to open up here, guys. Major reason why I suggested for you guys to hedge those positions here. DJT, the closer we get towards that election, the more volatile. Not only that, we expected a race to sell, getting close and towards that election for sure here on the 5th. Only seeing. Check this out. Riding that lower here on the 1. Yeah, I'm just concerned about the open here for DJT right now. TOVX. And it has broke it. 230 on the upper. It should ride that here shortly. You guys don't forget, get that live chat open. I know you guys are gonna have a lot of questions here, especially if DJT open up with some major volatility. Not only DJT, PHUN, Palantir is something that we talk about heavily here on the channel. Nuclear powered stocks. OKLO. See how things is doing here today. Up 5%. MRA. Also holding here on the day. Let's check out AMC. Yeah. AMC has post earnings on the 6th. Be looking out for that, guys. Let's see PHUN here this morning, which is also down. Yeah, guys, we may be in the race to sell here after all. Don't forget, guys, man, we're trying to get this thing to 150 likes. I know you guys got questions and things you may want answered, so just please leave a like on the video so we can open it up. We just need 150 likes, that's all, not much. TOVX is still hanging around GSAT. Let's see. What's going on with Buru here? Maybe headed back towards sub 50 cent levels here on the day. We got, yeah, just the big three. This is something I alerted here yesterday as well over in the Discord, guys, for those that don't know. Alerted that at 53 cent. Price target was 58 cent plus yesterday's aftermarket. Shortly after, it ran as high as 62 cent. 61 cent, shortly, yeah, well, 67 cent here today in today's pre-market at least. It's currently sitting at the price target. About 19 minutes until open, guys. Not long. All right. VSTE renewables. Entry is $2.22. Closing in about 15 minutes left until the open. And guys, if you're currently watching the live stream and you're new to it, don't forget to smash that like button. We're trying to get this thing to 150 likes so we can open that live chat to everybody. So again, ATJ still hanging around. Okay. Getting closer to that 150 like goal, guys. All right. UE Urban Edge Properties. And it's looking to break that 227 here shortly, maybe even before the open here on TOVX. What's going on here? I think this COCH may run here, man. Keep your eyes out on that one. But the big three right now is GSAT, ATHA, and TOVX right now. Nothing else is seeming to get constant bid volume. I'm not seeing any other constant bid volume on any other stocks worth watching. got about 10 minutes before the open, guys. Not long, not long, not long. Closer we get towards the open, we still start seeing more liquidity fall into market. AMC. Team just did it. Huge wick candle. Anybody still holding OKLO? Earnings coming up middle of the month. I think we may be headed towards $30 in not GSET. Sorry about that, guys. But OKLO before earnings. About 7 minutes before the open. If you haven't already, smash that like button. Smash that like button so we can get this thing to 150 likes. I know a lot of you guys want to ask me a few questions here in today's live stream. So just smash the like button if you haven't. Yeah, man. Look out for ATHA. ATHA, man, to actually make a big move here during today's trading as well, guys. 5 minutes and counting. 5 minutes till that open, guys. Is where all the excitement happens. Only 90 likes away, man. 90 likes away from opening the live chat. TOVX just dropped through that mid Bollinger Band, man. Not a good sign, but we're on the 1-3 looks wonderful. VSME. Gonna keep our eyes out on this one too. For the open, just 4 minutes left. Just 2 minutes left. Again, once the live chat is opened up, guys, you will be able to ask me any type of questions regarding the stock market, of course. But you guys will be able to bring a ticker to me, and I'll be able to analyze it in real time. All you have to do is get that live chat open. Let's get to DJT. I just want to see how the market reacts to the opening share price on this here. If you're still holding DJT, man, smash that like button. I'm going to see how many people currently holding this thing, man. Heading to the most volatile moments for the stock, which will be the day of the election. Here comes the open, boys. And we're off. All right, let's see what the heck. Sitting here at 1440. Right now, active buy on the intraday shows very little in comparison to the active sale. Active sale currently sits here. Okay, we just got a shift, but currently the active sale sits here at 314,000 with the active buy at 92,000. Starting to see that active buy pick up here on getting pretty close towards that active sale pretty darn quickly. Will this be sustained, guys? As you get that live chat open. Almost halfway there, guys. Almost halfway there. And we started getting a retracement there, guys. Hold on 1 minute. Chromadex CD. If you're new to that live stream, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button. I'm trying to get it to 150 likes, guys, so we can open up that live chat. Amazon. New PT set on ATHA or 66 cent plus. All right. That thing pushing now. Strong bounce along that mid. This thing back blowing here. We got ENSC. We're looking for a 66 cent plus price target here on ATHA, which that was just hit. TOVX retracing alongside ATHA. CDXC major retracement. Direction over, maintaining that mid on the 15. Not looking good on the 15. ASPI is seeing a move here today. Bid volume starting to pick up here in ASPI. Let's put a bail on this thing. Create alert every 5%. Okay. All right, we're seeing a green market. Let's check out DJT here. Mid Bollinger Cross looks wonderful here on the 15-minute chart. Again, guys, if you haven't already, can you please smash that like button? I'm trying to get this thing to 150 likes. I know a lot of you guys are waiting to comment, and that's all we're waiting for, to get this thing to 150 likes. We got 78 so far. We would love to see a circuit breaker take place here in DJT to the upside. Bid volume is looking wonderful. We may see this Friday short cover take place, ladies and gentlemen, but what we're looking for is a multi-day running situation behind the short cover. That's what we want to see, not a one and done. We want to see this thing actually break the 43 levels here today, guys. Major wall around $43. Okay, guys, still looking for bid volume is coming in even a little bit faster here in DJT than it was a few moments ago. If you're currently holding DJT, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Oh, sorry, I forgot about that, guys. We're just 70 likes away, so close to 70, well, 74 likes away, but no, we just need 150. So 69 likes away. DJT looking real bullish here, guys. Don't panic. I wouldn't panic at a time like this. Market is looking wonderful across the board. Major retracement. This thing may ride this lower here for a few more minutes, ultimately breaking that 55-cent low. Keep your eyes out on ATHA. Thing finally broke out. We got a $5.20 price target on that. It's a while away, right? OKLO for the swing to the upside. Yes, sir. For that $30 cross before earnings, which is 11:14, guys. So our OKLO is still holding strong. For those that is wondering, MIRA currently still holding key levels here above that upper. That's something that we don't want to see, but we will take it. Yeah, let's see what we can find on the fly. Yeah, SPI still pushing. think we put an alert on this. I hope we did. Yup. The price target was $8.50 here today. So we may be headed towards breaching our $8 price target shortly in ASPI. $8.50 price target. It's headed towards $5.20, guys. GRI for the big move. ENSC, we waiting for this to reach 72 cents from yesterday's alert. We might have to do GRI. Oh, how's TOVX? Look, I got you, Nick. Shout out to Nick for being one of the YouTube members here. That's the perk, Nick. You ain't got to wait for the 150 likes. I tell you that. TOVX, how it looks like it's major on the major retracement, man. Don't look like it's recovering at all. I see short ladder attacks all across this thing, man. Looks like it's ready to fall sub $1.95. Again, shout out Nick, man. Shout out Nick for being one of the YouTube members. $850 plus was the A. Did we hit it? Okay. mentors. Okay, we finally had our $5 PT in this. Okay, new PT was set for 555 on CDXC. Our GRI entry was $1.20, and we're looking for this to cross $1.32. Again, guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button, man. We're trying to get this thing to 150 likes so we can open the entire live chat for everyone to be able to communicate and share ideas. All right, we done had 455 views so far on this video, guys. It's no reason why that free like button hasn't been smashed enough. MDLY. Our GRI. Did it hit the people? GRI. Yep. Price target hit. And the ASPI. Okay, that was it. Now we looking for a new play. We hit like 4 price targets this morning. See if we can find something new on the fly. GM. Create an alert for this. No, we want bid and ask. No. Alert change 3 minutes above 3%. I will take it. Damn. Again, new Pro UT on CDXT 555. CDXC, sorry about that. MAXN doing its thing again. Why not? Okay, did we hit our... No, I think the price target was 72 cents on ENSC. Yep, 72 cent plus from yesterday's alert. So we just waiting on that to confirm that price target has been hit. We on the roll today here, boys. Our OKLO doing pretty well. We almost had our 72 cent. Thank God. Just updating the Discord here. All right, guys, I'm back. We looking for great earnings here in Palantir, guys. You may want to get some calls here. Yeah, it looks like Palantir, as you all know, earnings is tomorrow, and that pre-earnings rally, not tomorrow, Monday. Pre-earnings rally may just have begun for Palantir. I knew we were going to have a great one here, a great earnings. So get those call options ready. Expect a bull run here Monday for Palantir, and on the election day, and maybe after the election day, depending on who is elected. So Palantir is setting itself up for a multi-run a day situation, which is perfect for call options. I will be revealing you guys a easy money call option for Palantir here very shortly on a video. All right. Will we get that live chat open? I don't know, man. Not enough likes. What calls look good on Palantir? I'll be dropping that video here shortly, Nick. So be looking out for that one. But let's see here. What can we find? Our GMPX still lingering. I don't know what's up with SMCI, but it is seeing a lot of bid volume right now. Gotta post our market earnings on the 5th here for SMCI. Going to talk about a great call option for this as well. Guys, we're going to be easy money next week. Next week may be the easiest money made by a lot of retail investors with these certain option strategy I'm going to be revealing to you guys. So be looking out for that video shortly after this one. Is going to come alongside with the DJT video, DJT update, detailed DJT update and prediction. Also, that's going to have a Palantir easy call option alert within. And we're going to talk about Reddit. We're going to talk about ticker symbol RDDT, DJT, and Palantir on the next video. So make sure you guys check that out, man. All right, guys. Got 88 likes here, man. We wasn't able to actually, you know what? Just because y'all stuck around, even though we weren't able to open that live chat up with 155 likes, we opening it around. It's open, guys. What you got to say before we close this live stream today? Live chat is now open for everybody. We're going to run this for about another 16 minutes before we shut down the live stream. I know you guys may have a few questions. It's time to ask them. No questions, huh? Live chat is open again, guys. Live chat is open for everybody to communicate, share ideas, and engage with one another, and also me. AVTE. Yo, $50 calls on Palantir. I'm gonna give you a heads up time. Looking between price level of $45 and $47. In fact, we're in EXP. I give you EXP. How about that? How about I give you a heads up on the EXP? How about I give you a heads up on the EXP? I tell you now, guys, you won't tune in to the next video. EXP is the 1108. All right. You said those $50 calls? Nah, more like $47. $47 calls, man. You got me. $47 calls. I'm gonna do a update video, but those that stay here for the live stream, I owe you this one. All right, you don't gotta wait. It's a $47 strike. Call option, of course. Expiration 1108. You're looking to fetch at least $3 here per by the end of this. And the reason why I say 1108, we expect a multi-running day situation off of this, man. Off of Monday's earnings report, Tuesday's election hype, and Wednesday's election results. All right. So Monday's earnings, Tuesday's election hype, Wednesday is election results. Let's see what you guys talking about in the live chat. Can you check PHUN? I got you, Young Life. And what my boy Steven say, PHUN is up. Quick scout today. Got you, Steven. We finna check out Steven. Well, my boy Steve. PHUN is up. Nice upper trading here. Right there, up around 15. Yeah, just a market turnaround, man. It's the last actual full week before the election. It's a Friday. What this thing actually has to break is that 745 here on the day. order to reach those next support levels around that 784, but I mean next resistance level around those 784s. Okay, this thing is back trying to pick up. GRI is seeing a lot of volatility right now. Bid and ask orders going back and forth. A lot of them. MBLY, as you know, we just recently alerted this over in the Discord. Entry was 1502. Price target is $16 plus. So we're looking for that here shortly. Let's see what the live chat talking about. Shout out to my boy, just joined, Mr. G. Just got full Discord access, Mr. G. Make sure you hit this link and you DM TK immediately, all right? Because you're going to be looking for that Discord access. And or you can just DM me. Right now I'm using the MEM signals. Mr. Jai. Dude. Make sure you use that link, buddy. You can DM me or TK the manager. Let them know you just got the full Discord access, and you will get your roll over there. Or you can just DM me, like I said, MEM signals. I don't know if TK currently watching, but we'll check out DJT here in a second. But again, man, thanks for joining. This actually signing up for the Discord through the YouTube channel. It gets you the Discord, and it gets you the YouTube perks, ladies and gentlemen. So, in case you were wondering, which should you do? You get the Discord access and you get the YouTube perks. So that's good. Can you shoot us up a swing trades? I got you. You know, we've been swinging all morning. Most of them been swing trades this morning. No. Most of them been day trades this morning. We're hitting swing trades from yesterday this morning. So that's great. But you say a swing, right? A good swing for Monday on the long side. Let me go to the heat map. OKLO. Good swing for Monday, man. OKLO. All right. I won't say for Monday. Maybe by Wednesday. End of the day, Wednesday. All right. I take that back. Buy earnings. I'm looking for $30 here on OKLO by 30. Buy earnings. All right. But for tomorrow's swing, you got at least a 10% swing on OKLO for sure. I see this thing reaching around those $26 to $27 levels here tomorrow. So a great swing opportunity for my boy Young Life. Now we're finna go to DJT. So look, I forgot to add on DoorDash, guys, my sweeteners and creamer on my coffee. Let's just say it shouldn't taste this good. Alright, I think I just became a true coffee connoisseur for me to be able to drink this coffee with nothing. So America does run on Dunkin'. Well, Obi does. Yeah, the NBLY doing its thing. NBLY. You must gotten that over in the Discord because I think I did I just pulled it up on the screen, but I don't think I mentioned it in the actual live stream until it was after it was alerted. But again, I think we're looking for on the NBLY 16 plus. So alert was 1502. Teresa made it. Shout out to Teresa for the super chat. Really do appreciate that. AKA T Money. Guys, when you comment every day, you get a easy money nickname. And shout out to Teresa again, guys. That is literally the biggest super chat the channel has ever seen. So again, shout out to Teresa for that one. Again, Teresa, aka T Money. Teresa has earned her easy money nickname. She comes in with great insight, guys. So if you do ever see her in the comment section, pay attention. She knows what she's talking about. Always ask great questions that basically answer the questions to a lot of people questions in the video. So again, guys, if you do see Teresa somewhere in here too as well, guys. So if you do see Lisa or Teresa, make sure you guys reply to their comments, engage with them over in the comment section as well. Two wonderful, great traders, and very, very, should I say, they bring me a lot of encouragement to actually get up here and make these videos, guys. So without Teresa and Lisa, shout out to you two. Getting old. That's why it tastes good without creamer. Ha ha ha. Oh my God. Whoa my God. You know what? Since I crossed 30 here this year, I have been finding myself doing older things, should I say. Not purposely. I would just be like, I noticed something like, did I really just sign up for a year subscription of a physical newspaper? Like, what's going on here? Did I really do that? We might see a circuit breaker here. Yeah, I know I was getting old when I stopped basically listening to music, and now the news plays in the background. Now I don't know how I'm asleep before 10 o'clock. It's like at 9:59, most energy in the world. 10 o'clock comes, guys, I don't know. I think it's the dirty 30s. The dirty 30s. I'm just waiting for the $16 price target, man, so I can get up out your hair here. Let's see what we can find until then, right? We got 20 cent on the dollar till we actually guys, if you want to know more about how do I find these plays, like, if I told you, when I show you, it's gonna make things so easy, and This method, you need no charts. Literally, all you have to do is be able to pay close attention to detail. That's it, really. And CDCX is the only thing that's like really jump it up. But we did hit our 550 price target. No, 555 plus. We're 5 cents short of our price target. You think DJT done for the day? Could you look at Root and tell me what you think? Got you. T Money. I got you, Teresa. Okay. Okay. Now, Rut. Hold on, let me see here. Maintains price target at $78. Quick rating of Rut 90. I kind of want to challenge these guys. These high ass price targets. Let's just start there. These price targets, 120. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. These price targets is bullshit. All right, ain't no fucking way. Ain't no way, man. Listen, puts on Root. Let me see. This thing supposed to have dropped a while ago, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It did actually pick up, hold up for quite some time. But let me give you an easy money put option on this thing. All right, first off, 11.15 is what we call 65. I go after 50. But before we do that, we 2 weeks out. On week average, about 4%. So let's do $14 in 2 weeks. $55. $55. I think we'll be around $55 in 2 weeks. In Rut. The fact that Express News raised theirs a quick forecast between 51. Whoever got theirs at $90, that is comical. Because I don't think Root share prices, these share prices are sustainable as of now, all right? I don't think they're sustainable as of now. So I feel as though that we're going to return sub 60 around those $55 levels before we actually see either consolidation state or another leg up for Root. And right now it's going for 285. 14-day expiration. No, it's going for 330. Let's check out our calculator. See, this thing go to $40 here. This thing go to $40 with 2 days from expiration. Well, guys, you will be up 354%. And the way that root shot up, it's likely that those $40 levels may be in store. But I think 55 though is gonna be a sure thing. Can we hit our $5.55, man? That's the price target on here, $5.55. I still have confidence in the $5.55. We could actually pull our money off the table now and walk away with gains, but I'm confident with the $5.55, guys. Still, let's see. Anytime, Teresa. Anytime. Teresa, we may be making you a moderator here pretty soon. You're here too much. You're here all the time. We can use your help. So, matter of fact, while we're here, let's just add Teresa as a moderator. Now, Lady T can now pit others in timeout, and you're able to comment along without waiting for the live chat to open up. So that's another perk, and you can stop others from commenting when they actually start to comment nonsense. So again, appreciate you, Teresa, for all you do here. Really do. So again, thank you for that. And let's see, guys. Let's review these alerts here for today. Our ENSC, we finally crossed our 72-cent price target. So that's also well. I think we alerted this thing. Let's see what TK's talking about. Automate. She gonna show you guys the big boot. You play those games. But yeah, guys, this thing is rolling. All right, we broke expectation on this. $84, 84-cent price target. All right, guys. Wait, I don't know if you figured this out by now, but I'm extremely good with numbers, percentages. Basically, I'm extremely smart in math, but what I like to do first, price target is always 10%. Second price target is 5%. Depending on the share float. And or market cap. It really depends on that second price target, whether we would set a high risk hold, partial profits, or just lock in the whole thing. So what else we got in the live chat? Thoughts on SMCI-OB, please. Something looks odd as their auditors have resigned due to unsatisfactory response from management. Surely management would drop everything to provide a response. You're sure right about that, Kiki. Should I buy more DJT? You think it's going to go up before the election? Right now, I'm finna get into SMCI right now. But DJT, man. What we staring at on the DJT side of things is basically a Monday will actually be the hype day. No, Tuesday would be the hype day. Wednesday will be the actual day of the results. So we'll actually see the market react to the results of the election on Wednesday. And Tuesday, I personally expect the most volatile swings on Tuesday that we have seen since the last election. But SMCI, super microcomputer, like I said earlier, man, calls. I'm gonna give you guys some easy money calls for SMCI. Like I said, man, next week, guys, it's gonna be the easiest money making week for you guys, if you follow the channel, of course. But next week is gonna be so easy. Well, next week is like my magnificent week with always do well with Palantir. Been crushing AI earnings for the past fucking 6 quarters now. Yeah, and with the elections coming up, our hedge positions, oh my God, man. I told my wife, if everything goes as planned, that I will be paying for I'm trying to make sure she don't hear this. This is a joke. Just in case she do hear this. But I told her, if all goes as planned, I'm buying the best of it. The best of voice lawyer money. Goodbye. Baby? Are you okay in there? Just checking on her, making sure she didn't hear that one. But totally joking though, guys. SMCI calls looks good. This thing will be having its post-market earnings after Palantir, of course. So, the day of the election, we should see a run. And if Donald Trump wins, we expect to see the entire market react in a green state. So, a great earnings, post-market earnings, and reaction to Donald Trump winning. SMCI calls for sure. I wouldn't hedge my position in this one at all because I do think SMCI is going to have a great earnings. High expectations, though, for this earnings, but you have to take in consideration anytime that a company has high expectations, anytime that those high expectations are met or beat, expect a post-market earnings rally. That's more often than not leads up into the next earnings, though. especially if you're getting the competition is seeing great earnings as well. Basically, a great earnings across the industry really sets things to the upside. DJT, man. If y'all got that easy money put option, please let me know in the comment section below. Like, someone was like, "Hey, Obi, you were fucking wrong." I had to explain to him, like, bro, even when I'm wrong, my portfolio is fucking right. Those easy money put options, man. You know what's funny, guys? I was talking about these easy money put options before I dropped that video. I was basically speaking about it 2 days ahead of time. I kept saying, like, guys, I'm gonna be dropping this video. Make sure you be looking. It's the easy money put options. Easy money put options. Easy money put options on DJT. Something that you may want heading into the election, especially those that plan on holding a long position throughout the election. You would have to be crazy not to get this. And then a lot of people was like, I don't know if a lot of people just said fuck that video and didn't check it out. But guys, that same contract, all right, it opened up the next day around $10.10, somewhere around there. But today this contract has seen a high of $14.45. But let's say this thing dips below that $30 level, towards the $29 levels. Well, this thing shoots up towards those $17 levels here. Let's say Trump loses. Oops, that's the wrong contract. Wrong contract. No, it's not. Let's say Trump loses. Because that's how the market is actually performing and stuff like that. As if they're predicting a DJT loss. But let's say he loses. You guys expect this stock, DJT, and I'm not exaggerating here. Dude, DJT will fall below $20 well before the 22nd. In fact, I feel as though that this shit could fall below $20 before the 8th. No, seriously. It could fall to $20 before the 8th, which is that Friday. Now, if that does happen, guys, we're seeing $21 for this contract, which ultimately puts us in a double your money situation. Right? Now, that I'm talking by the 8th. The following week, things can get even worse, man. By $15 the following week. Remember, Donald Trump has stated this will be the last presidential run if he loses. With that also being said, if he win, I think it has to be his last, since he already won one presidential term. I'm not sure. I think that would be. Since it's 2, I don't care. I don't think it has to be ran consecutive. I think it's just 2 max. I'm not sure. I'd have never been alive to see a president have 2 terms that wasn't consecutive. All right. Never seen it. We always see once a president loses, he actually walks away from it, except Hillary Clinton. But yeah, things can get ugly. If he loses, we know that he's not going to run again. So it's like all hope for a company with bad fundamentals and a bad outlook just goes to shit after that. So guys, does this mean sell your DJT? I'm not saying that, because like I said before, we do expect a rally just off of the market reaction. If he does win, expect a massive short cover wave, because these last couple of days, these short positions have become stacked because of the price action. has given shorts the comfortability to continue to hold. You have to take into consideration, ladies and gentlemen, when DJT was shooting up, not everyone was quick to sell, right? So that's the exact same thing that we're receiving here on the short side of things. While this thing is shooting down, shorts aren't quick to sell. Well, cover in that case. I'm just checking out the live chat. When my boy Johnny said, yeah, DJT is becoming a penny stock by Tuesday, Wednesday at this pace. My put is below 20 by the 5th. Wish me luck, Johnny. If you gotta puts that low, and we actually go that low, do me a favor. I need you to write me a check for about 1.5 million. I know the check isn't gonna bounce at that point. Because, man, if you hit on that, I know that's going to be a nice premium. And I don't think $1 million check is going to bounce on your end. If that does take place, shout out to Johnny, man, for the risky business. Next stock we're going to talk about here. Somebody told me one day, guys, like, they were calling me the radio man. I don't know why. They were saying, like, the way I say my words here on the mic, the way I build suspense. I don't know. It made me wonder, like, should I honestly be a radio DJ at night? Because, guys, you know, Obi is a stock market analyst Monday through Friday. But on Sundays, I'm 100% sports analyst. All right, Sundays, we are sports analysts, guys. So I think I got enough time in there to fit in a radio broadcaster. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The DJ voice. All right, let's see. Our Chromadex seeing like it's throwing in the towel. Our ATHA is trying to bust a reversal with these huge bid orders that is flying across the table that has gotten my attention. Like a overdue bill. Has gotten my attention. Like a EM call. Let's see what RUT is still hanging around. But yeah, we looking for puts on RUT. Puts on RUT. LAC been sticking around these last couple of days. But our OKLO earnings 14th. We looking for $30 before then. Guys, you know we supposed to stop this live stream about 20 minutes ago. And then I gotta hold to this unsweet, uncreamed coffee. And now I don't know where the hell I'm at. For a minute, I thought I was in a doctor's office. Risky for DJT. You got that right. Yeah, guys, I was telling you this, like, back in September. I'm like, guys, the closer we get towards this election, the more riskier, the more volatile, the more uncertainty is going to come with this play. That's exactly what happened. That's why it always pays to get that early seat, guys. The home of the early seat. You know, that's our motto. It's part of our lingo. It's part of our branding here on the channel. An early seat is an easy seat. An elite seat is an angry seat. So that $12.40 cost average, guys, give you a lot of room to sweat it out, wait it out. But when you buy it, like one thing I would really do grinds my gears though, is when you get in the stock, you make a video, you're up about 80%, and 90% of the comments are, "Is it too late?" You damn right it's too late, but luckily there's always another trade waiting. All right, you got to get rid of that trade anxiety. You got to get rid of the trade anxiety, guys. But it looks like we need a reset, though. It seems like we called out ENSC, man. Like, I kid you not. We've been talking about this all day. If y'all been here on the live stream, we've been talking about this thing since what, 60 cent here today? Again, man, shout out to those. Shout out to those. Trading FOMO, it's a killer. You damn right about that, man. Listen, man, I've been there, guys. I have not always been a trading computer. What I mean by that is a emotionless trader. Right? Like sometimes, guys, I literally will buy something and walk away and go play the game. Because I know that's basically me having confidence in the trade, and it's being emotionless, should I say it. Some people go take the dog for a walk, stuff like that. Of course, have your stop loss set if you're not confident in that trade. But yeah, sitting here looking at the chart all day after entering if it's high volatile, like what we looking at here, ENSC, $12 million market cap with a share float. Well, let's put it like this. With a share float, 14.74 million on the share float with a market cap lower than that. Extremely high risk due to that low share float and the mixture of low market cap. This thing is expected to move quickly up or down. So it doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price. That comes in your risk versus reward factor. High risk, something with it like this is high risk, but it is also a high reward factor as well that comes into play in a play like ENSC. All right, we're approaching that price target here shortly. And guys, I have to Okay. Ego. I got you. Yeah. TK, don't sleep at all. So when you think you in the Discord by yourself, guys, you're not. You're not. TK don't sleep, so there's always someone around to help. If you have a problem, a technical difficulty, anything like that. So okay. It had to be just very, very recent. Break through the mid Bollinger here on the 1 minute, but we want to see that thing actually reject its fall. MBLY, MAXN. ASPI, did we hit our PTs? ASPI, consider profits, yeah, we hit that. MLBY must start back retracing. Yep. Okay. AVT doing its thing. AVTE, yeah, it is, man. AVTE, I ain't look at it since alerting it. AVTE doing its thing. Yeah, you right about that. Let's see our PT on AVTE. AVTE PT is 290 plus. Let's see. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, if you're new to the live stream, man. Let's get this thing to 150 likes. We are here now, right? So, see if we can do it. Ooh, we got a lot of movement here on ATHA. Major reverse. We trying to break that 67 cent. Like our PT in this is 68 cent. Okay, guys, I'm back at it. Dang, we got that retracement. My bad. Here, the like. Yo, Mike. Shout out to Mike, which is one of the YouTube members. Shout out to Mike. Again, one thing about being a YouTube members, guys, the over the weekend videos that I'm going to be dropping here on the channel, those that is a part of the YouTube membership will not have to wait until the actual premiere drops. So again, make sure you guys take advantage of that perk as well. CRV. Mid Bollinger bounce. Well, not exactly, but see what AMC doing. As you all know, AMC has earnings next week. Great recovery from yesterday's retracement just due to market lag. Very great sign. We're seeing a strong market here today. Like I said, the last full week of trading before this election. Also, man, if Donald Trump wins, see the Republican Party win, guys, we may actually see companies like GEO see a rally as well. The GEO group. All right. Other companies, related stocks. I want to say no, not CXW. Core Civic, yeah. These two companies are both basically private prisons. So expect for this industry to actually run as well. We know the Biden administration ordered the DOJ to not open any more private prisons or prisons for profit, like GEO and the other one. So basically, the Biden administration was a huge risk to companies like GEO. And if the Republicans win here, expect for GEO to run here quite a bit. Quite a bit. What's going on with ELAB? Nothing. See what's going on with the live chat. What is wrong with the DJT? TJ is breaking my heart. TVGN is breaking your heart. Blake, what's going on? It must be retracing here today. TVGN, my boy Blake. It's going to be all right, Blake. Blake. Come on, man. I thought it was something much more serious than that on the day. I mean, major retracement from the 309, of course. Major retracement from the 309. These last 6 days of trading, stock has dropped over 21%. All right. That's not a slouch. Not even close to a slouch. But in all reality, what we're looking for this thing not to cross that $2.20 levels, because if we do see a SAR flip here in TVGN, we may be headed towards that mid Bollinger. So keep your eyes out on that, guys. Who's going to be that 100 like? You say what's going on with DJT? Who's going to be the 100th like? Oh, mid Bollinger break. Like I told y'all, man, we do not want to cross that mid Bollinger. It was around $30 here yesterday. Well, the day before yesterday, the day that I caught that. To grab those easy money put options. So again, guys, if you did grab the easy money put options, hop in that live chat. Please hop in the live chat. I want to know how many people actually take that advice. 10-4. Thanks for the analysis. Anytime, Blake. Anytime. Anytime. You know that's what I'm here to do. You know, like, just getting feedback off of my analysis from you guys is all I need. You know, like most YouTubers, like when I was watching people do this, they literally would not look at any comment unless it was a super chat. Or unless it was someone from the YouTube membership. But here, guys, like, if we're getting a lot of comments, of course, I'm not going to be able to answer everyone. Of course, super chats are something that has to get noticed pretty quickly because of how it presents to us on this end. Like, you can't miss it. It's right in your face. It highlights to you. It comes across the screen. So it forces us content creators to acknowledge the comment that is said with a super chat. But here on this channel, guys, a super chat is not needed for me to actually analyze your stock. All right, I'm analyzing it no matter what. If I see it, especially if you're commenting a lot, especially if more than one person is asking to speak about it. Yeah, guys. Because all I ask is for you to come back to the channel, leave a comment, and a like. That is all I ask for, guys. I also do YouTube subscriber requests. So if you guys have a video, like you want me to do a video review on a stock, just comment it. As you all know, guys, I'm one of those YouTubers that basically comments back to 95% of the comments that's left here. So don't be comment shy. Don't feel as though that I'm not going to reply to your comment in any of my videos, guys. That is me actually talking to you guys. Like, seriously. So make sure you guys leave a comment. One more really good swing. My boy, me. You like one more, right? I got you. You know I got you. You know I got you. So just stuff like that. Me asking for another really good swing lets me know that you guys like this stuff. You guys like the videos. You guys like the live streams. You guys like the alerts. So a comment really does go a long way. Not just for the YouTube algorithm, for me, my drive. It does a lot, guys. It does a lot. So like, dude, I've been meaning to get off this live stream since 9:30. It's 10:14 a.m. Right? DBGI. There you go, man. Good swing. You better grab it now for a halt. Fuck it, just hold it. No, I didn't. There you go. You want a PT on this? Hold on, I'm trying to give one to the Discord. Fuck. PT on this 15 plus. Swing traded. But yeah, guys. Let's see here. don't know. I mean, we're seeing the markets green, but we're seeing the Donald Trump favorite stocks see a lag here today. Like I said before, guys, it's going to be a race to sell. All right, it's going to be a race to sell. We may have found ourselves in that situation, but within that race to sell, we're seeing shorts stacked short positions. Basically, that short cover wave is getting even bigger and bigger. And it's only going to get even bigger depending on the presidential results. PLBY. PLBY. NNE. As y'all all know, that offering is going to hit and affect existing shareholders. Can we please get our 555? CDXC. Buying 10 billion short at 4 days. I'm coming. DJ TCO said biggest crime scene in history. Lawsuits coming. I ain't gonna lie to you, Chi-Town. A lot of these companies, when they try to say illegal things is going on, this and that, illegal shorting, it's just really smoke to hide from the illegal shit that company is actually doing. I seen Mullen try to come up with something like that. A lot of other companies tried to sue these, should I say, hedge funds or stuff like that for illegal shorting, and they did, and basically they paid money for investigators to investigate it, this and that. Basically, they do that to. It's basically all smoke and mirrors. They know what's really going on with their share price. They're diluting the shit out of existing shareholders. And since shareholders already have a narrative that, should I say, illegal shorting, this and that, hedge funds are cheating, this and that, since that a narrative is already in retail investors' heads, when they actually go out and do these frivolous lawsuits, they make shareholders feel as though that they're not the one doing wrong, and it's hedge funds and or market makers, stuff like that, man. Mullen tried to pull it. A few other companies that has now been delisted has pulled it. Because I have seen these so-called announcements on lawsuits on naked short selling drive the share price to the upside short-term artificially. Like, for instance, Mullen's situation. Mullen saying illegal shorting, this and that, but not admitting that the reason why the share price is consistently going down is due to major dilution and performance stock awards given to the CEO in the fashion of newly issued shares, which only hurts existing shareholders, just like in AMC. Everyone wants to blame shorts, but no one is actually blaming the CEO for each and every phase of dilution that AMC truly went through. Trump said he will fire very gamely and clean out SEC one day up. Yeah, we shall see, man, what actually goes on. I do think if Donald Trump is elected, that will be much, much better for, should I say, the average retail investor. If y'all remember this DBGI, we looking for 15 cent on here, and it's looked like we are going to the promised land. Yeah, we got that at 12 cent, price target 15 cent plus swing. You asked for a swing alert, me. We'll swing this for the fence. All right. You asked for it, man. You asked for another one before I got off. I gave it to you. And in fact, I gave it to you better than a swing. I gave it to you in the day trade. Man, at 15 cent, man, go ahead and take your profits. Matter of fact, partially profit now. Leave 20% for the 15 cent. All right? Leave 20% for the 15 cent. But, yeah. Look for that to move to the 15 cent levels. And I just want to thank everybody that did come out to the live stream. 50 people that stayed in here, guys. I really do appreciate that. You're the reason why we're going to be doing another one Monday. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be going live Monday. I don't know if you guys like the early morning sessions or the afternoon sessions. I'm going to be dropping a poll to see what the audience want. Do we want a afternoon or do we want a 30-minute before the pre-market leading up into 2 hours in the trading day type of live stream? So we're going to see about that. AMSC still pushing. American Superconductor. Okay. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go here, man. 20%. Thoughts on? Okay, I got you, Mike. What we talking about, Mike? What you swing? Thoughts on our E-Fresh? 20% on both. Get that money, baby. Get that money. Yeah, keep getting that money, guys. Like I said before, man, I only be trying to find these easy money alerts. That's it. That's it. Like I said, man, Fridays is more often than not my best trading days. So, another swing before leaving. Mike, these swings are like drugs, huh? Can't get enough. I just want to hit this $15 price target, 15 cent price target, so I can be like, yeah, see, you got your price target, see. Yeah, I gotta stop. I gotta leave Dunkin' Donuts coffee alone. It seems as though that it may just be a little bit too strong for my liking. Or for my mental, at least. All right, MDGL. See, DJT like to play with people. Can I get the 15 cent? Please? Please. Don't make me look stupid up here. All right? Every time we get a crowd of people, you make me look stupid. You do the total opposite. You got to talk to the charts, guys. All right? So they will understand what they're doing wrong. Anytime. T Money. Teresa's in the building, guys. No, I was clowning that DVG. Yeah. I'm thinking like, you know what? It's time to take some money off the table. If this thing, okay, gap up. We just got to gap up. Yeah, it's finna shoot past 15 cent with these. All right, 1490, 1490, 1497 on the highs. 1498 on the highs. 15 cent. All right, man. So what we doing? 80% lock-in would be at this point. So I would sell 80% of my position which we call the partial profit. This isn't the PPP loan, guys. It's only 2 P's in this situation. All right. Get that partial profit, which is an 80% lock-in. You leave 20% in to play with the house's money. But you would put a 10% stop loss from that point, from that price target. It's called the Obi way for those that is concerned. Just a little strategy I came up with. But yeah, we got our 15 cent on there. So I'm going to be letting you guys go. DBGI PT smashed. I'm going to be letting you guys go so I can gear up for this update video. Man, bro. I'm going to come back with it. I'm going to drop you a swing alert, man. Get over in the Discord, man, so you won't miss these swing alerts. I just got to get ready for this update video. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to let everybody go. And may the games be with you all. Anytime, Mr. G. Anytime. Wait. And he say, wait.